This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Deanna Rader. If you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood, then look no further. This home features 3 bedrooms and full baths upper level. Main level with roomy kitchen with breakfast bar, pantry, formal dining room, laundry, and half bath. Living room with gas fireplace. Lower level with has a finished basement with kitchenette, full bath with laundry which could be used as a mother-in-law suite or private area for guests, enclosed covered back porch off kitchen, 2-car garage with RV parking on side. Square footage to be verified by buyer. For more information, review the details below or contact Deanna Rader at 865-687-1111.